Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for this coconut curry shrimp with pigeon peas. Now stay tuned because I have a secret ingredient to make this, and it's not coconut milk. So let me show you all how to make this amazingly delicious curry shrimp. So I have my shrimp already cleaned, deveined and washed, and I'm seasoning it with salt, black pepper, minced garlic, pimentos, scallions, onion, tomato and green seasoning. Now I like putting a tomato on my curry. If you don't want to use the tomato, of course you can omit it. We're going to mix everything, and you can allow this to marinate overnight for a few minutes, a couple of hours. It's totally up to you. I'm going to be using this right away, and it's still going to be very tasty. So set that aside and place a skillet or a pot on medium heat and add in your oil. Once the oil is nice and warm, go in with some fenugreek or methi seeds. You can find this in any supermarket in Trinidad or on Amazon. Whole cumin seeds go in next, and we're going to toast this on that medium heat until they're dark brown in color. Now once they're dark brown, we're going to go in with a few curry leaves. If you have dried curry leaves, you can use that also, and if you didn't have curry leaves, of course you can omit it. Next we're going to go in with some aromatics, some chopped onions, pimento peppers and scallion chopped, and we're going to let this sweat in here until it starts to turn a light brown color. Now once that's light brown, we're going to add in the coconut curry powder. Yes, you heard me right. There is now coconut curry powder on the market. You can find this in Trinidad and Tobago. Also, it's available on Amazon. So we're going to add in the curry powder and let it toast for about 30 seconds on that medium heat. Once it starts to feel grainy, we'll add in some water to help the curry cook. And let me tell you guys, when I tell you this is coconut curry powder, you smell the coconut while that curry is toasting. So add in the water and allow that to cook until the curry turns into a paste-like consistency. This was so delicious, and I can't wait for you all to try this. Not only with shrimp, but any kinds of meat you want to try it with. Even you can make curry duck with this. It will be amazing. So you see how that curry is starting to thicken and the oil is separating from it? That's how you want your curry to look before you add in your protein. Now I'm going to add in the shrimp and give that a mix. Now remember, shrimp does not take very long to cook, so what I recommend you do at this point now, you're going to turn that heating element to high, because you want this to cook, but you don't want it to overcook. So now I'm going to go in with some peas that I already boiled and had in my freezer, and a little bit of water because I want to create a sauce. If you're using raw peas, I personally don't like to put raw peas in my food. It has this really weird taste. So I always pre-boil my pigeon peas and keep it in small portions in my freezer, and in that way I have peas year round. So I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer. So once it comes up to a simmer, allow it to cook until that sauce is nice and thick, or to the consistency you like, and the shrimp is cooked. Now this is finished. All I have to do now is remove it from that heating element, and it's ready to be served. I love serving this with Dhalpuri or short recipes, which I already have on my channel, so be sure to check out the Made with Flour playlist. And let's just look how delicious this looks. I wish you all can smell it. It smells heavenly. I even took pieces of the shrimp and I had it with hops because I love curry shrimp and hops bread for some reason. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know what you think, comment down below. I would find the link for the curry and leave it for you in the description box if you live outside of Trinidad. Bye everyone.